Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Creation DIY channel. If you have PVC pipes and rubber balloons, you must try this unique idea. Because this idea will make your mind relax. Positive auras will envelop your days. The first step is to prepare the additional materials, namely sponge foam. Split one side of the sponge foam until it penetrates the other side. Make the hole not too big. Then cut the end of the rubber balloon. And insert it into the foam until it goes through to the other side. Then tie one side of the balloon using a small rope. After you have finished tying it, take the PVC pipe that you have prepared. You can adjust the diameter of the PVC pipe to your needs. Insert the foam into the PVC pipe. Then open the end of the balloon that is not tied and cover it with the foam sponge that you left a little outside the PVC pipe. Pull the balloon until it covers the entire outer area of the PVC pipe, so that the balloon doesn't come off. You can add insulation to attach the balloon to the PVC pipe. Pull the knot you tied on the rubber balloon and untie it. After the knot is loose, open the end of the rubber balloon and wrap it around the PVC pipe. Use insulation to attach the rubber balloon to the outer wall of the PVC pipe. Use cleaning cream to clean the inside of the rubber balloon, which still has a lot of dirt from the remains of balloon factory production. After the cleaning process is complete, you can use this tool. You can add real flowers or artificial flowers. You can put this tool on your desk or in your room. Your life will change instantly when you see this tool. Your mind will be fresher and more enthusiastic about living life. The positive aura from the flowers that you put in this tool will make you relax immediately when you look at it. This tool is absolutely amazing. If you use real flowers, you can change them every day to get a different atmosphere. Suitable to be placed in the bedroom, workroom, or in the living room. A unique tool that you can make yourself at home. If you like this DIY idea, please subscribe. Thank you, and hopefully this idea can be useful.